It says in the Qur'an, إِنَّهُ هُوَ أَضْحَكَ وَأَبْكَى. And it is He, Allah, who causes one to laugh and causes one to cry. How beautiful is that? That whenever you laugh or whenever you cry, remember that it's Allah who causes you to do that. But let's bring it into the context of the Qur'an. When has the Qur'an made you laugh? When has it made you cry? Okay, crying, I can understand. When has it made you laugh? Right? You're having a conversation with your Creator right now. Right? It should have an emotional effect to you. And there's a theory that when, so mainstream media, one of the things that it does brilliantly is it makes you laugh and makes you cry. One of the reasons why I consider Disney such a big enemy of ours, because it really pulls on those emotional heartstrings. It makes you laugh and cry. When you laugh or cry, it's as if your heart has just opened up a little bit. And when it opens up, whatever ideologies you wish to put inside, you can put inside, and they will stay with you, right? This is one of the reasons why majalis are so effective as well, by the way. I'm giving you the negatives, but the positives as well. Why do majalis stay with us? It's because we cry for Abu Abdullah al-Hussein. Our hearts open up, and the scholars can actually present you with ideologies and give you Islam, and it stays inside your heart. So allow the Qur'an to speak to you. I hope that talk. I actually like to spend more time discussing the Qur'an if Allah gives us the tawfiq.
Inshallah.